We want to move the ball quick. We want to move the ball quick. Those guys can play. Go ahead, Henry.
Okay, I got it, guys. Bow your heads, close your eyes. Thank you for bringing us here.
Push out, push out, push out! What did you try?
Everyone say amen. Put it down.
It's one, two, three.
It's electronic.
I'll bring it next time.
Orange captain?
Hey, Coach, how you doing?
Let's go, Islanders!
Up together! Press, press, press!
Go, Kylie!
Who's with her? Who's with her?
All you, Kylie! All you, Kylie! All you, Kylie! Go, go, go! Go, Kylie! Jog it back! Jog it back!
Ladies, hey, if we're gonna press, form as a line. So, Emma, on that defensive alignment,
Okay,
you don't have anybody on. Move up, move up, move up, move up, move up. Put his name on it.
Go get it, go get it, go get it, Islanders! Go Move up! Defense! Go get it!
You got Emma on the outside. You got... Get with him. Follow your pass, follow your pass.
Go defense, stopper!
With her. Backwards. There we go.
Defense, move up! Good job, Russell!
Move that ball up. Go, Emma, go, go, go. Who's with her?
Ball down! Go, Jay! Ball! Get her, Russell! Yeah, good job, Russell! Good job, Russell!
That's diving over. She's off her feet. Come on.
Go, go, go! Now!
Kylie needs to go, go!
I'm good.
Chloe, that's what I'm talking about, being patient. Like, over on that right side, just slow it down. So that ball.
Water kicking.
Can't, like, it's
Good job.
Olivia, play 10.
Okay.
Hey,
Nice kick. Go get it, go get it, go get it.
get with her, get with her, who's with her?
Go, Indy. Go get it.
You're on.
Get it, Autumn. That's you, Autumn.
Go.
Go, Autumn, go. Go, Autumn, go. Pop up. Help her. Support. Pass it out. Pass it out. Pass it.
Where's the support?
Pass it out.
Get it out, get it out.
Defense. Get out. Spread the field. Come on, Emma. Pass your clear. Run out. Autumn,
Move it left. Move it, move it.
Go. 21. Let's go, ladies. Go, Autumn.
Good.
Nice job, Julia.
Julia! Julia!
Back it back, ladies. Hey. Hey, ladies, we gotta get flat on defense when we get bunched up, okay? Spread out.
Ladies, scoot way in. Scoot way in.
Watch your gaps.
Hey, don't touch it, don't touch it. Grace,
Back 10.
Caitlin, tap and pass to the left. Tap and pass to the
Turn
left.
around. Back
Two.
pedal.
Guys, spread, push out a little bit. Tap and go, let's go.
There's a big cap over there. There's a big cap over there between Aso and Matt.
Also, student.
Yeah, shift right. Anthony,
Z.
shift right.
Nice! That's exactly.
You're not attacking us.
Who's with her?
You gotta
4-3. 4-3.
2 minutes you can make subs.
Help her! Go, Olivia! Go, Olivia! Go, Olivia! Support! Good job, Ryan! Good job, Ryan! Stay with her, Ryan! Good job, Ryan!
Olivia. Olivia.
Olivia, kick!
Don't worry, I won't wear gray when I play you again.
You mix it up.
I brought 3 different jerseys,
Okay.
2 shorts.
All right.
Hey girl.
We can go.
Fast ball. How many minutes is one half? 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Fast. It's got to be fast. You can't warm up. Okay? We did our warm up.
Get it, go, get it, Pete!
This is real quick, okay?
Get her!
2 halves, so 7 minutes.
Winner.
You got to get out there and do work. All right?
Go, shift!
Push in, Emma.
Start.
Push in.
Push Fastball, copy.
Coach it.
Look at his face. Look at his face. They're doing on the rough. They're not
Squeeze in, Envy. Envy, shift right. Envy, shift right.
Julia, back to player.
somebody
Move up, Julia, move up.
Good job, Envy.
Julia, move up.
don't be excited that they can run
Good job, Envy.
or that they're way down the field. Get up there and
Get up there.
have we ever seen
Ryan.
Look at Matt.
Hey, go low, ladies.
Go, Julia, go down.
Run them into the prize ring.
He's in.
Stretch the field.
Squeeze in.
Squeeze it.
Get up there. Go, 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 go. Go, Z. Support. Support. Support.
Pass it out.
Go, 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 go. Hey, run straight, Envy.
Envy the
Go, Envy. Just run. All the way, Envy. All the way. Go, Envy.
Support! Support! Who's here? Support! Tackle!
Yeah.
Who's gonna go for it? Envy. Hey, can you get first leg this
Go
time?
play it forward.
You're late.